I can get very intense about things sometimes, and I kind of go all in. And so I went all in on learning every single thing I could about being an amazing coach and about being an amazing online business owner, and everything I could about online courses and memberships, and use that to refine my own business, which became very successful, which meant that in turn, a lot of people started coming to me for advice around how they could actually build their online courses and memberships. And over time, that just kept evolving and evolving, where initially I was helping them one-on-one. And then, of course, I quickly ran out of capacity to do one-on-one. And so then I started doing small group. And then I did a membership about creating, it was kind of broader, like online courses and memberships and all of those sorts of things. And then I really realized that my sweet spot is memberships, because not only because I've done a lot of it myself and I know a lot about it, but I'm really passionate about recurring revenue, and I'm really passionate about the lifestyle business you can create around having an online membership with recurring revenue. And so that's where I kind of